Here's the most important part before we start developing our web application. Now I have downloaded the SAMP and it already installed, and I'm going to do a few configuration and run HTML page, small HTML page. First things I have to make sure that the run SAMP runs with the SAMP services were running. One service is Apache, the other one is MySQL. For me to do that, I need to go to the control panel of XAMPP. Here, if it is installed XAMPP, if it is installed already, you need to go and type control panel, XAMPP control panel. I rather say XAMPP control panel. So then you can see, oops, I type XAMPP control panel, so it will be here. So when I click here, sorry, XAMPP control panel view open, and there will be two services here. One is Apache and the other one is MySQL. I say Apache start and running, and I say MySQL start and running. Now the both services were running. Number one is done, so I have run Apache and MySQL services through the control panel. Let's go to the second point. Check whether your web server means your Apache web service, is it running now? Web service running or not? We need to check. For me to do that, I am opening Firefox because I have Google Chrome and I do certain things with Google Chrome. So I go to Firefox. In there, I type here on the address bar http://localhost. That show you this interface, which means your web service up and running. If it is so, it shows as XAMPP, Apache, MariaDB, PHP, Perl, all these technologies. This is actually the home page of XAMPP. That's how you check whether XAMPP is running. That's great. Number 2 you already done. Let's go to number 3, creating a small HTML page using Notepad++. This software I have done. Notepad++ is a text editor or a coding editor where you can write source code, many source codes. So I have already installed. I go to run and type Notepad++. Open. So Notepad is open. Let's go to a new tab, and I'm going to say zoom a bit, and I say language. I'm going to type HTML. I say HTML. I'm going to use some HTML here. HTML. And I close the HTML. This is not the how you type HTML version 5, but I'm just doing on the older version. I say body tag. Here we go, and I close the body. Okay. Inside there, I'm going to use something called marquee used for moving text. The marquee, I say Dhanush web server enable, and I close marquee. Okay, this is the basic HTML page. I'm going to save this. This is something important. I'm going to save this on. As I said earlier, once you install XAMPP in your computer system, in your C partition, you will have a folder called XAMPP. Inside that, if you go inside that, you will find another folder called htdocs. It's called as htdoc. So then I'm going to save it. That's what I've said here. So you have to save your application on htdoc on the XAMPP. So I'm going to do what? I'm going to save this application on the htdoc. I say, oops, stuck. What is happening here? I save it on, say, on the C partition. I say XAMPP, and I say htdoc, and I'm going to create a folder inside htdoc. I say test. Inside the test page, I'm going to save my page as html. Okay, test.html. So what happened? I have created a page on the XAMPP C partition. I have created a folder on the C partition, which named as XAMPP. In there, on this htdocs, I have created another folder called test. Inside that, I have saved a page called test.html, which is I'm going to run now. That's what I've done. So